Welcome to my Just Learn on YouTube channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon button which will receive all new videos notification. Hello, I am Sunil and Rathod, presenting question number 1. Frame your own sentences by using word or phrases. Number 1. Wonderful. Answer. What a wonderful flower that was. Number 2. Superb. Answer. Her handwriting is really superb. Number 3. Very well. Answer. He sings very well. Number 4. So beautiful and divine. Answer. The sight of the sea looks beautiful and divine. Question number 2. From the story, make a list of words related with music. Answer. Musician, tanpura, rag, sings, voice, ustadji, divine, and note. Question number 3. Who said to whom and when? Why? Number 1. Then I must have him sing in my court. Who said? Akbar said. Whom? To Tansen. When or why? When Tansen told him about Haridas. Number 2. I shall go as a humble lover of music. Who said? Akbar. Whom? Tansen. Why? Because Guruji did not sing for the king. Number 3. What has happened to you? Who said? Sant Haridas. Whom said? Tansen. When or why? Because Tansen made a mistake deliberately. Number 4. How can I expect my music to be so beautiful and divine? Who said? Tansen. Whom? Akbar. When? Why he could not sing like his guru. Question number 4. Match the sentences with their types. Sentences are given in A and B are the types of sentences. Number 1. What has happened to you? Answer is B, that is interrogative sentence. Number 2. I am long past the age for singing. That is C. The sentence is a statement or assertive sentence. Number 3. Wonderful. It's a that is exclamatory. Number 4. Not even. Then. That is E. That is negative sentence. Take me to him. That is D. That is imperative sentence. Number 5. Make as many words as you can from the words. Exasperated. Answer. There are a lot of words you can make from this exasperated word. Separated, departs, experts, rated, disparate, spared, started, desert, exert, spared, sold, rate, trade, spat, tax rate, pet, set, sat, date, parted, peer, repeat, art, dart, pat, tap, seat, and spat. Lot of words you can make from these words. Exasperated. Now write T for true, NT for not true, and CNS for cannot say. Number 1. Emperor Akbar greatly admired Tansen's music, but now he was bored with it. Is it true? Not true? Yes, is it? Not true. Akbar was arrogant and expected all his subjects to obey his commands. This sentence is not true. Guruji recognized the king. This sentence is cannot say. In spite of being a great singer, Tansen continued to make deliberate mistake. Is it true? Not true? Yes, is it true? Any effort dedicated to God turns to be the best. Is it true? Yes, is it true? Question number 7. Discuss and write briefly. What would happen if the Emperor Akbar would summon Sant Haridas? Answer. If the Emperor Akbar would summon Sant Haridas, he may not appear before the emperor, and if he appeared, he would not sing to satisfy the emperor's wish. Question number 2. What if you find a blind person singing songs melodiously for begging? Answer. If I find a blind person singing song for begging, I will tell him not to use this talent for begging. I will also tell him that he can try his luck in musical programs and any of TV channels like Sony, Indian Idols, etc. Question number 8. Study the underlined group of words. Number 1A. She wore a shirt made of cotton. B. He wore a shirt which was made of cotton. Number 2A. Are you sure of your innocence? B. Are you sure that you are innocent? Number 3A. This is the exact reason for his failure. B. This is exactly why he has failed. Number 4A. After finishing his work, he went home. B. He finished his work and he went home. You will notice that all underlined groups of words in sentences marked A merely refer to a concept or expressions. They do not contain a subject or a main or a principal verb, such as a group of words or unit of a sentence is called a phrases. And each of the underlined group of words in sentences marked B convey a thought, concepts, and have a subject and a principal or main verb. This unit part of a sentences is called a clauses. वरील चारही संचात ए वाक्यात अधोरेखित केलेल्या भागाला आपण फ्रेजेस किंवा वाक्यांश असे म्हणतो. तसेच बी वाक्यात अधोरेखित केलेल्या भागाला आपण यामध्ये सर्व संकल्पना व्यक्त होते अशांना आपण उपवाक्य किंवा क्लाउजेस असे म्हणतो. Number 8. Say whether the underlined are phrases or clauses. Number 1. The musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. That is phrases. There is someone who sings far better. That is phrases. He had been Tansen's music teacher and he lived the life of a hermit. That is phrase. The music spreads like the first glimmer of dawn. That is phrase. His music springs from the depth of his soul. That is also phrase. As they walked back, the emperor suddenly broke the silence. This is also a kind of phrase. Question number 9. Divide the class into two groups. Teachers divide the story into two parts. Each group should be allotted one part to be converted to play skit format. Combine the two parts such that the entire story is converted to play. Also give a suitable title. Present the play in your class. ही वर्गातली ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे. वर्गाचे 2 गट करा, तर शिक्षक कथेचे 2 भाग करतील. तर नाट्य रूपांतर किंवा नाटकली करण्यासाठी प्रत्येक गटाला 1 भाग देण्यात येईल. संपूर्ण कथेचे नाटकात रूपांतर होईल अशा प्रकारे 2 भाग एकत्र करून योग्य शीर्षक द्या आणि हे नाटक वर्गात सादर करा. Search on internet the information about Tansen and any two great artist musicians with the help of the following points: name, place of birth, music, public art, award and honors. म्हणजेच पुढे दिलेल्या मुद्द्याच्या आधारे तानसेन व कोणत्याही आणखी 2 महान अशा कलाकाराविषयी, संगीतकाराविषयी आंतरजालावरून माहिती शोधायची आहे. Their name: भीमसेन गुरुराज जोशी. Place of birth: रोन district, Gadag in Karnataka. Music or art: Hindustani classical music, devotional songs. Number 4. Award and honors: Padma Shri 1972, Padma Bhushan 1999 and Bharat Ratna 2009. Ram Prasad Tansen, place of birth C15-6 at Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, death 1589. Awards considered as one of the Navratna, that is 9 jewels in Akbar's court. Question number 11. Activity. Collect any 5 stories of Akbar and Birbal. Write or present any one of them in the class. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला काय करायचे आहेत की कुठलेही अकबर आणि बिरबलच्या 5 गोष्टी या ठिकाणी लिहायच्या आहेत किंवा वर्गामध्ये एक सादरीकरण करायचं आहे. Answer. Questions for question. Fear is की why is camel neck crooks unlucky face the noblest beggar the true king?